We are asking to create Vairajya, new state, based on scheduled area of Tripura. In hill area of Tripura should be created statehood, new Vairajya. This is our demand. Our second demand is we are strongly, vehemently, we oppose CAB, visual caps. These caps should not be implemented in Tripura. This is our strong demand. We are never allowed to implement Citizenship Amendment Bill in our state because Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh. Three side boundaries is the Bangladesh international border. So every day, every movement, the influx, illegal immigrant take place in Tripura. When now also they are coming. Therefore, we don't want to implement CAB because there are a lot of lakhs of refugees, lakhs of illegal immigrants settled down in Tripura.
सर जैसे आप त्रिपुरा की बार बार आवाज़ें उठी मगर सरकार उस पर कोई भी ध्यान नहीं दे रहे, आप लोगों को बार बार आके दिल्ली के जंतर मंतर पे संघर्ष करना पड़ा, तो क्या उम्मीद आपको लग रही कि ये आज की सरकार आपकी मांगे सुनेगी?
So that is the tragedy. This is the very sad. Delhi Sarkar, maybe Congress or maybe BJP, they are not trying to understand. They are not trying to know the real fact of Tripura, what is going on. See, Tripura is a different story, different state. Tripura is the independent state. We have a kingdom. 5,000 years ruled by our king. We have a kingdom in the independent state. We marched with India only on 15 October 1949. There is agreement between royal family, our king and the Indian government. But this agreement also not implemented. This is a real tragedy of our people. Therefore, we are compelled. Now people of Tripura, intellectual group, and student, youth are all demanding unless we get separate state in hill area, in scheduled area, we cannot survive in future. Therefore, we are compelled to ask our demand. You may believe or not, we become minority in our own land. Now we are only 30%. Before we are 90%. Before independence, before merger with Indian Union, our people, indigenous people, native people are 90%. Now, after 6-7 decades, we become now 30%. Then it is reduced again and again. Our population is reducing, but the illegal immigrant population is increasing day by day. This is our threat. This is our grievances. We cannot save our land. Our identity crisis, our culture, our language, our land is become, going away from our hand. Therefore, our main demand is now to save our land, to save our culture, to save our language. We need new state. Now we have already two parts. One is scheduled area, other one is non-scheduled area. People have divided two parts. One is scheduled area, this area, one is non-scheduled area. And now scheduled area, still we have a more 70% land. 70% land is included in scheduled area. So that 70% land, scheduled area, we are demanding to make new state based in the area of Tripura.